What? Create real student businesses. The ICT Club Business, ICB, is an extracurricular activity to enhance the students' learning of entrepreneurial competences. It is a section in the ICT Club where students work in groups, under the supervision of their patron/teacher to raise money, create and sell products and/or services, and also manage their businesses for a year. Why? Learning by doing. ICT is a technological innovation but also an entrepreneurship practical subject. Students must have time to practice. By running a mini business enterprise called projects, students learn entrepreneurial competencies practically. ICT Club Business is a practical assessment tool where students publicly demonstrate their skills, attitudes, and competencies. The ICT Club Business is open to all students. Senior 3 and/or Senior 5 lead the ICT Club Business. Female students are strongly encouraged to take up the top leadership positions in the ICT Club Business. The ICB runs multiple different business projects managed by small teams. The ICT Club Business has leaders and recruits club members from the total school population to join them. How? Students lead business projects. ICT Club Business is student-led but is supervised by both ICT and entrepreneurship teachers. Project teams meet during extracurricular times to create business projects and work on their codes for software business. The ICT Club Business holds regular meetings to plan and coordinate activities. Student products and services are sold in and outside school both online and offline. Elect ICB leadership and write the Constitution. Recruit a gender-balanced membership. 3. Propose services, product ideas and apps. ICT Club Business Management. 1. Create innovative services and products. Fundraise during visitation/parent days. Sell products and services. ICT Club Business Sales and Exhibition. Keep business records. Invest income. Prepare for the ICT Club Business Exhibitions. When? After class time. Project teams meet regularly after class, normally during time for extracurricular activities. The ICB members will agree on their own meeting schedule to fit their study schedule. Where? In school and back home. The ICT Club business activities take place both in school and in the community. The ICB members can decide to sell their products and services to fellow students, teachers, the school administration or community members. Both boarding and day students can participate in the ICT Club business. Day students typically set up the projects back home that can grow into small businesses after graduation. Why only run business projects in school? Get your home community involved either by selling your products or by helping out a special need. ICT Club Business, Facts and Figures. ICT Club Business Structure. ICT Club Business is part of the COWA program in your schools under ICT Club's initiative, together with the Leadership and Entrepreneurship course. The ICT Club business structure is basically that all business projects are under one club with one leadership and a patron teacher. Club membership needs to reflect gender balance in all its structures. Successful clubs manage to enhance unity among students. While the ICB consists of 4 project groups, they will all work toward the entire club. School maintains a competition rule. If anyone wants to change project groups, because of personal interest or skill, members can agree on the consultancy structure of official group change, which can be clearly outlined in the club constitution. The ICT Club Business and other clubs. Collaboration with other clubs like Educate, Debate, Scripture or Patriotic clubs is encouraged. Signs of a healthy ICT club business. Plan mid-term evaluation and learning meetings to see how your club is doing on the term milestone as well as the judging criteria. Term 1 ICB leadership was elected and a constitution was written. Ensure gender balance in the club leadership. Members from all school levels. All projects have initial ideas and enterprise plans. Term 2 funds or local resources mobilized. Term 3. 3 out of 4 projects are profitable by selling innovative products. Income is reinvested in the club activities. Reports and books ready for presentation during the national exhibition. ICT Club Business Roles. School administration, oversight and regulation. Approves club constitution. Establishes the ICT Club Business Exhibition in the community. Provides the ICT Club business with required facilities to operate such as land, room, lab, etc. Structures the ICT Club business selling times and places. Communicates the ICB safety and quality rules. Club patron / entrepreneurship teacher, mentoring and support. Acts as a mentor and advisor to the ICB leadership and members. Links students to the school administration. Keeps record regarding students' performance in the ICT Club business. Where necessary, patrons could be signatories to club accounts. Monitors safety and quality standards and expectations. Staff members, secondary advisors. Support the club in its activities. Find and share resources and opportunities. Offer expertise in the area of specialization when required. Can invest in the business club. Integrate leadership and entrepreneurship skills across subjects. Parents and community always connected. Providing a favorable environment for students to develop and nurture their talents and skills. Community is the market to students' products and services. Community members can also act as advisors to students' projects and clubs. ICB projects can be run in and out of school. ICT Club Business Mentor, direct support and business coach. Support scholars in the writing club constitution. Guide scholars to choose the right leaders for their club. Provides that technical knowledge to scholars on how to successfully run their business. Follow us up on progressive club projects. Teaches practical skills to scholars based on ICT and business. These skills help scholars in starting and managing projects successfully. Students' leadership and implementation. Keep records and documentation of the club.